Dr. Zakir, what about the fasting continuously through the day and the night? That's prohibited for Muslims, isn't it?
As far as Wisal is concerned, fasting continues the day and night without breaking the fast. The Prophet said in Sahih Bukhari, volume number 3, Book of Fasting, Hadith number 1966, the beloved Prophet said that do not fast continuously day and night. He told it thrice, do not fast continuously day and night. The word is Wisal used here. So Sahaba say, but Prophet, don't you do it sometimes? The Prophet said, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala provides me food and drink when I'm sleeping. That means He has the power. He said that you don't overdo it, you don't burden yourself. And further it's mentioned in Sahih Bukhari, volume number 3, Book of Fasting, Hadith number 1967, that do not fast continuously day and night. If you want to do it, maximum you can do is you can fast up to the Sohar time. So you can fast from starting of dawn, continuously till the next Sohar time. That is the maximum you can do. That's permissible if you want to do it. Beyond that, it's not permissible. Because again, it would not be medically right. It would cause damage to the body and other parts and the social aspect and religious aspect, etc.